Hello, and welcome to another episode of DevOps Quick Bites, your friendly guide to all things Salesforce DevOps. I'm Rob Cowell, DevOps advocate at GearSet, and today I'm diving into an essential topic for any team operating on Salesforce, backing up your Salesforce data and metadata. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. So backing up your Salesforce environment is crucial. Why? Well, because your data and metadata are the backbone of your business operations. Imagine the chaos if all of your carefully managed data or custom configurations suddenly disappeared. The impact on your business could be catastrophic, leading to significant downtime, loss of revenue, and potentially irreversible damage to your reputation. Did you know that downtime can cost businesses between $300,000 and $400,000 an hour on average? Now, for large enterprises, these costs can be even higher. If you don't have a backup process in place, you're risking not only data loss, but the potential failure of your business operations. Accidents do happen, files can be deleted, data can get corrupted, and systems can be targeted by malicious attacks. And without backups, you're left with no way to recover quickly or efficiently. But it's not just about the data. Backing up metadata is equally important. Metadata includes your configurations, your custom code, your page layouts, workflows, and a whole lot more. And without these, your data may be unusable or inaccessible in the way that your business needs it to be. Metadata defines how your Salesforce org functions and interacts with that data. But from a very practical viewpoint, it gives your data somewhere to land. There's also some other opportunities that open up once you start making regular backups. Having a solid, accurate backup of your data and your metadata can form the beginning of perhaps a data seeding strategy for your development and testing environments. Now, obviously, you'll need to consider protecting any sensitive or personal data in these scenarios, but having something approximating production-grade data in your lifecycle can massively accelerate innovation. Effective backups require several key capabilities. External storage. External storage ensures that the backups are accessible even if the primary systems have failed. Automation. So backups should be automated to run on schedules, and that reduces the manual errors and ensures that you have up-to-date snapshots. Also, integration. You should be able to integrate your backup tools into development workflows to streamline processes and reduce that downtime. And of course, backups should be secure with encryption and access controls to protect any sensitive data. But remember, backups are only as good as your ability to restore them. It's crucial that you regularly test your restore process. A backup that you can't restore from is no better than having no backup at all. So you're aiming to have an easy-to-use restore process that ensures that you can quickly recover from any data loss incidents, and that minimizes downtime and gets your business back on track swiftly. Your backups must also comply with data protection regulations like GDPR and CCPA, for example. Properly managing data retention policies will avoid legal issues too. And there's many regulatory and compliance rules that companies may need to adhere to. So you'll need to at least be aware of these and ensure that your backup strategy matches the requirements. So that's been a whistle-stop tour of how backups are a core part of your DevOps strategy. But let me know in the comments if you're hitting all of those right notes in your backup and restore approach, or if you found some additional interesting use cases that you can use with your backed up data and metadata. Meanwhile, thanks for joining me in this episode of DevOps Quick Bites. Be sure to subscribe with the link below so that you can stay tuned for more insights and tips for Salesforce DevOps. But for now, keep things backed up, and I'll see you on the next DevOps Quick Bites.